Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using a Walmart cheapy makeup gift set. So we've got a little bit of everything other than foundation, concealer, basically cream products. Alright, first we've got the Beauty Runway Face Primer. I have no idea what it's gonna do for me. It's like white and lotiony. I literally think they gave me lotion in a tube. For real. Alright, and they did not give me foundation and concealer, so I'm going to use my own. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in the shade F3. Alright, for concealer, I've got the Revlon Photo Ready Candid in 005, the lightest shade. Alright, and next I have a powder foundation, which might be too dark for me. And they do not give you a bronzer, so I'm going to use this darker shade and hopefully it works. Super powdery. It's got a lot of kick up. If you were a darker complexion, this obviously would not work for you at all. The color wasn't horrible for me, but anybody any darker would not recommend this. Well, I guess they do give you bronzer and blush. So I'll put a little bit of that on top. That's patchy. Super patchy. I'm gonna take my powder brush and try to blend that. Guess I should have stuck with that foundation powder and call it good. That's it's gonna get, and then I'm gonna use this blush color. Hopefully that's not as patchy. Not as bad as the bronzer. Actually kind of pretty. Alright, and then we're gonna do my eyes. Got this big old palette. And obviously I did not have eye primer, so I just used my concealer. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here because there's not very many mattes. Where's it at though? And it's super powdery. And that's definitely not the color that looks like in the pan. Same to the other eye. There's not very many mattes in here, so I guess I'm gonna go in with the shimmery shade. I'm gonna go in with this color. Normally I would not blend a shimmery shade in my crease, but I guess I don't have a choice. Oh my gosh. Oh, this stuff is awful, I'm not even gonna lie. But that's a challenge. I look like I have a black eye. Literally. I'm gonna throw some more shimmer on there. Hopefully it's not so bad. I'm gonna take one of their little crappy applicators. What just happened? It's not even the color it shows, but okay. The top color completely rubs off to this weird brown color. Not the color I was expecting, not at all. Let's try a different one. Let's try this one. It's choppy, but didn't do the same thing like that at least. Not really doing a whole lot. Yeah, looks about the same. I guess let's try this purpley shade. Crumbly. I don't remember these things being so bad when I was a kid. Taking in, didn't know what I was doing. I'm gonna blend that away, I guess. Well, we'll call that good for eyes. Wipe away the fallout. I'm gonna take my concealer and go over that a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and powder back over that. And just to somewhat save it on the top, I'm gonna take that powder and blend it up here. Next, brows. I've got brow pencil and it looks red and metallic. Yeah, definitely metallic. Guess I'm gonna use it anyway. If I ever have kids and they're girls, I'm never buying them this junk. Ever. I'm getting Wet n Wild before I buy this. Because I have red brows. Red. Let me get a spoolie. Try to blend these massacre brows. I mean, if you're going for a Halloween look, this is for you. What do we have next? We have a baked blush that looks more like a highlighter. I'm going to attempt to use this as my highlighter as well, because I don't have one. It's got a lot of kick up. And next we have a eyeliner pencil, as well as a liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna stab myself in the waterline now. I'm gonna attempt to smudge that out. Alright, we're gonna do some under the eye shadow because why not? Dust that first shade under my eye. Whole lot of nothing. Guess I'll try to do a different shade under the eye. Let's try that one. Whole lot of nothing. This is the liquid eyeliner. Well, I'll just go for that. Eyeliner stinks. And it's hard to get your even line. At this point, I'm just gonna layer it on and smudge it out, because why not? Going for a thick liner today. Not even gonna try anymore. Alright, now we have a mascara. Clumpy wand. Oh, and that eyeliner smudge? No, I'm not fixing that. This mascara sucks. And there's no lip liner, so we got some lipstick here. Not gonna go with the look, but you know what? At this point, I don't care. There's the lipstick. Honestly, the nicest thing so far in the whole kit. And then they give you 2 lip glosses. How generous. Got a pink one and a sparkly one. I think I'm gonna go for the sparkly one. Sounds like it's gonna be sticky. It smells like chemicals. Not as sticky as I thought. And not as sparkly as I thought. Let's go ahead and try the pink one on top, so, because why not? Smells like chemicals too. And they don't give you setting spray. Bummer. Because wouldn't you want to set this look? All in all, would never buy this. Not for your kids, not for anybody. Palette, junk. Complete junk. The lip glosses, not so bad, but they smell like chemicals. Lipstick was honestly the best thing in it. And the eyeliner, oh, and the brow pencil. Girl, who has brows this color? Nobody, not even redheads. Their brows aren't metallic. The eyeliner sucked. The powder foundation, that wasn't bad. Blush wasn't bad. Bronzer, no. And the baked blush, no. That's a highlighter. A highlighter. For $10, save your money. Get some Wet n Wild. I don't know, maybe some drugstore stuff. This is junk. Horrible. Final look. This look? No. My last video, I spent $20 and got a bomb look compared to this. So go check that out if you want to see a good makeup look. Subscribe so you can see more things like this and better. And hit the bell icon. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.